Now, the Admiral is back. Glendon Admiral Bailey is once again in charge of the reins at Tivoli Gardens. Tivoli has had a miserable start to the Red Stripe Premier League season, and they're 10th on 11 points. The team has been guided by Philip Williams since last season, and he remains in charge even though Bailey was seen calling the shots from the bench in their game against Malines United on Sunday. Shortly after the match, Bailey confirmed that he was appointed technical director at the West Kingston-based club.
Well, I was appointed to the position on Thursday. Yeah, so Thursday is the first day looking at the team, and today, as you can see, is my first game. As you know, Coach Williams will remain as the head coach. I am just the one that is coming to oversee the program, technical aspects, see what needs to be done, what needs to be corrected, what needs to be implemented. And based from Thursday to today, there's a lot of things that I say that need to be adjusted and corrected.
And Bailey says there are some areas in the team which he wants to focus on immediately.
First thing, we want to start to do, we want to, want to start look at the fitness level. We're playing a Premier League at the highest level, and I am not that pleased with the fitness level. So that is one of the areas that I will be concentrating on. The technical aspect of it, too, I think, we need to pass the ball around more. With touch need to improve, So these are two areas that, I'll be really looking at.
And Bailey, who is no stranger to Tivoli Gardens, is well aware how tough the orange and black clad fans are to please.
No, man, the fans, I have to react to them fans, them react to me at my place, two Premier League in my belt here, 3 Jackie Bell, 1 Flow Cup, many semi-final and final. The record speaks for itself. So, it was a good welcome home by the fans. But fans stay. When you seize it and you're too much, you don't get it right. You never have a problem again.
Now, in his first game in charge on Sunday, Tivoli, they played out a 1-1 draw with second place Malines United at the Edward Siaga Sports Complex.